How to enable and turn on autosave on PowerPoint app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on autosave files on your PowerPoint easily and fast. First thing you have to do, go to PowerPoint. Now click on one of your documents. For example, right here I'm gonna click on this document, and now after it take you to your document, go to the top corner right here, click on those three dots like this, and now scroll down, click on the settings option right here. It will take you directly to this page, as you can see. Now scroll down until you find automatically save files. You can turn it on from here easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.